Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today we will explore 25 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. The Colorado in USA is famous for this landform: A. Grand Canyon, B. Grand Crater, C. Great Valley, and D. Great Basin. The correct answer is Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon curved by Colorado River in the United States in the state of Arizona. It is a contained within the managed by the Grand Canyon National Park, the Hualapai Tribal National and the Havasupai Tribu. Question number 2. Which of the following volcanoes is situated in Mexico? Option A. Colima, B. Purez, C. Semeru, D. Etna. The correct answer is Colima. The volcano de Colima, also known as Volcano de Fuego, is a part of the Colima volcanic complex consisting of a volcano de Colima and de Nevado de Colima. It is a younger of two and is currently one of the most active volcanoes in Mexico and Northern America. It has erupted more than 40 times since 1576. Question number 3. The black soil is also known by of the following name: A. Khadar soil, B. Bangar soil, C. Alluvial soil, and D. Rugged soil. The correct answer is rugged soil. Black soils are a derivative of trap lava and are spread mostly across interior Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh on the Deccan Lava Plateau and the Malwa Plateau. Question number 4. Who was the founder editor of the famous newspaper Kesari during the national struggle? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Lokmaન્ય Tilak, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, and D. Muhammad Iqbal. The answer is Lokmaન્ય Tilak. Lokmaન્ય Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the founder and editor of Kesari newspaper during the Indian independence movement. It was a Marathi newspaper that was started in 1881. Question number 5. Who created the Madras Presidency as is existing till Indian independence? A. Thomas Munro, B. Lord Cornwallis, C. Lord Wellesley, and D. Lord Hastings. The correct answer is Thomas Munro. Question number 6. Who was the first Indian to qualify for Indian civil services? A. Surendranath Banerjee, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Satyendranath Tagore, and D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is Satyendranath Tagore. Satyendranath Tagore was the first Indian to qualify for Indian civil service in June 1863. He was a poet, composer, writer, social reformer, and linguist from Kolkata, Bengal. He was the elder brother of Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 7. Sardar Sarovar Dam is being built on the river: A. Tapti, B. Mahi, C. Chambal, and D. Narmada. The correct answer is Narmada. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the Narmada River in Gujarat, India. The foundation stone was laid by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1961. The dam is 1.2 km long and 163 meter deep. Question number 8. Which of the following state is known as the traditional region for tank irrigation? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Assam, C. Gujarat, and D. Odisha. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Tank irrigation is a method of irrigation that uses small reservoirs to store and distribute water for agriculture. In Tamil Nadu, tanks are used to collect rainwater during the monsoon season and provide reliable water sources for agriculture throughout the year. Question number 9. The mountain range which divide the North and South India. A. Himalayas, B. Satpura, C. Vindhyans, and D. Western Ghat. The correct answer is Vindhyas. The Vindhyas are regarded as the traditional geographical boundary between the northern and southern India and have distinguishing status in both mythology and geography of India. Question number 10. Who is the youngest Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Option A. Arunima Sinha, B. Malawat Purna, C. Santosh Yadav, and D. Bachendra Pal. The correct answer is Malawat Purna. Malawat Purna is an Indian mountaineer from the Telangana. On 25 May 2014, Purna climbed Mount Everest at the age of 13 years and 11 months, the youngest female to have reached the summit. Correct. Question number 11. How many chambers does a cockroach heart have? Option A 2 chamber, B 13 chamber, C 4 chamber, and D 8 chamber. The correct answer is 13 chambers. Question number 12. Which sport competition is known as the Turkish Airlines EuroLeague? A. Football, B. Baseball, C. Rugby, and D. Basketball. The correct answer is basketball. The EuroLeague, officially the Turkish Airlines EuroLeague, is European men's professional basketball club competition. The league is widely recognized as the top tier men league in Europe. Question number 13. In the United Kingdom, what flower is worn commemorate soldiers who have died in war? A. Red poppy, B. Rose, C. Lily, and D. Tulip. The correct answer, red poppy. Question number 14. Which vegetable was historically known as love apples? Option A potato, B eggplant, C tomato, and D bell pepper. The correct answer is tomato. Question number 15. In which one of the following animals is skin a respiratory organ? A shark, B cockroach, C whale, and D frog. The correct answer is frog. Frog skin is water permeable. This means it can let water in and out. Frogs don't often drink with their mouth. They absorb water through their skin. Question number 16. AstroSat is a space telescope launched by which country? Option A India, B China, C Russia, and D USA. The correct answer is India. AstroSat is India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space telescope. It was launched on PSLV XL on 28 September 2015. Question number 17. Which one lens should be used to correct the defect of astigmatism? A concave lens, B cylindrical lens, C convex lens, and D bifocal lens. The correct answer, cylindrical lens. Cylindrical lenses in glasses correct astigmatism by correcting the uneven curvature of cornea or lens. They do this by helping to focus light on the retina from both meridian of eye. Astigmatism can also be corrected with laser surgery such as LASIK. Question number 18. Iodine solution is used to test the presence of A protein, B sugar, C starch, and option D fats. The correct answer is starch. When iodine solution is added to food that contains starch, the food turns blue-black in color, so iodine can be used to test the presence of starch. Question number 19. Which is considered as the oldest civilization of the world? A. Egyptian, B. Mesopotamian, C. Harappa, and D. Chinese. The correct answer is Mesopotamians. Mesopotamian civilization was an ancient civilization that developed in the region between the Tigris and Euphrates river in present-day Iraq and Kuwait. It was home to the Sumerian, Babylonians and Assyrian and is known as the cradle of civilizations. Question number 20. How many years passed between the invention of Indian reliable steam engine and the induction electric motor? Option A 113, B 50, C 90 and D 132. The correct answer is 113. Question number 21. Which cell in our body have the least regenerative power? A. Brain cell, B. Muscle cell, C. Liver cells and D. Bone cells. The correct answer is brain cells. Question number 22. Which country is the origin of the tango dance? A. Spain, B. Brazil, C. Cuba and D. Argentina. The correct answer is Argentina. Tango is a partner dance and the social dance that originated in 1880 along the Rio de la Plata, the natural border between Argentina and Uruguay. Question number 23. Which city is known as the City of Lights? Option A. New York, B. Tokyo, C. Paris and D. Rome. The correct answer is Paris. Paris became known as the City of Light in the 19th century after being the first European city to use gas lighting to illuminate its streets. Question number 24. In 1905, the Russian Navy was defeated by A. Britain, B. France, C. Germany and D. Japan. The correct answer is Japan. In 1905, the Russian Navy was defeated by the Japanese Navy in the Battle of Tsushima, which took place in May 27-28, 1905. The Japanese victory in the Russo-Japanese War marked the first time in modern history that an Asian power defeated a European power. Question number 25. The smallest size of cells that can be seen with naked eye is option A 1 micron, B 100 micron, C 10 micron and D 1000 micron. The correct answer is 100 micron. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.